I'm going to make a partial circle. Just the bottom of the circle will be missing. At the end of each side, I'm going to make like part of a rectangle. Then two large circles inside for the eyes. Inside each of those, you're going to do a small circle right in the center. Two vertical lines on each side of that little circle you just drew. Do the same thing on both eyes. And then right above and below those little circles, you're going to do a little rectangle. The nose is an upside down V. And then for the mouth area, you're going to do a straight line across, and then right on top of that, you're going to do a rectangle. At the top of the head, make a horizontal line, and then at each end, angle down to the side of the circle. A little dot in the center. And then on the side, you're going to do these rectangle shapes for the ears.